Hello, here's a quick video about park math. I've made this point before in previous videos, but I didn't have calculations for it, so this is why this video is important. Here we have a very interesting centrally planned city that is in all of these blocks, if you see right here. Excuse the pixels. And what that allows me to do is to count the ratio of parks to building. So there's 36 by 36 in this grid. All identical blocks, 1,296 squares, roughly 60 worth of parks. I counted them. And then you have to add this park here, which is 18, and this big park here, which is 36. Give them the benefit of the doubt, right? But there's 60 of these parks. So you can just see the greenery, count them up. Add 18, add 36, you get 114 total. So 114 divided by 1296 is 8.8% parks. Makes sense, looks about accurate, 1/12. Arkology now is 300% parks because we have 100% of the rooftop as parks, and then you have another 200% around the outside of the arc. Ideally you would have the arc surrounded by parks. Let's say you can't completely surround the arc, so you only have 100% additional around the arc with a 200% total. So 100% is the roof, 100% is the gardens. You get 200% parks. Do the math, 8.8. 200 divided by 8.8, you get 24 times more parks in Arkology compared to this centrally planned city. 24x. That is amazing. Look at this. This is Madrid. Look at this. This is so shameful. This is it. This is all you get. That little thing. And then maybe this. What is that? I don't know. All these rooftops wasted. All of these roads, the airspace over the roads wasted. Look at all of this waste. So many rooftops just doing nothing. It's so shameful. All of that sunlight, so shameful. Look at the size of this roof. It's not doing anything for anyone. So, yeah, there is a better way. People say this is one of the best planned cities too, Madrid. I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Then here's Tokyo. Look at this. I don't have the exact numbers for the park ratio on Tokyo, but look at this photograph. It is painfully two-dimensional. Painful, and this is one of the denser cities in the whole world. Anyway, I want to make a short video about this. So just remember this number, 24 to 36 times more parks than your traditional urban society. Unbelievable. I know you don't have front yards, I know you don't have backyards, but still, 24 to 36 times more parks. Anyway, that's it for this one, and remember, a single dream is more powerful than 1,000 realities.